Hey everyone. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to change both the date format and language format in Google Drive using the full 2026 setup. So first, open your browser, go to drive.google.com, and log in with your Google account. Once your Google Drive dashboard loads, we're ready to change how your dates and language appear. Start by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting Manage Your Google Account. This opens the main control panel for all Google services. On the left side, click Data and Privacy. Now scroll down until you see a section called General Preferences for the web. Inside that section, click Language. From here, you can add a new language to your account and choose which one should be your default. Once you set a new default, Google automatically updates the display language across most services, including Google Drive. If you added more than one language, make sure to drag your preferred language to the top of the list. Google always uses the top language as your main display language. Next, let's change the date format. Go back to the General Preferences section and click on Region. This controls how dates, time, and number formats appear in Google products. Select the country that uses the date format you prefer. For example, the United States uses month, day, year, while the United Kingdom and many other countries use day, month, year. Once you pick your region, Google applies the new date format automatically. Now return to your Google Drive tab and refresh the page. You'll immediately see that the file Dates and Interface reflect your new language and date format settings. If you're using the Google Drive mobile app, your app follows the language and region settings of your phone. So if you want to change it there, you'll need to update the language and region directly in your device settings. And that's it. That's how to change your language format and date format in Google Drive using the 2026 layout. It's a simple change, but it makes everything clearer and easier to read based on your location. Thanks for watching.